Namaste. Thank you for watching. Today we have Marianne Cirone with us, who has worked with cancer patients and survivors for many years. She has a wealth of knowledge, and she will be leading a cancer yoga teacher training in the fall of 2016. Cancer has become rampant in our society these days, and yoga teachers often face a situation where they have to adjust or modify a yoga pose for a student because of cancer-related issues. Yoga teachers need to understand and feel comfortable how to make a yoga pose safe, effective, and accessible for someone who is trying to embrace a healthier lifestyle despite their battle with cancer. So Marianne is going to tell us more about the upcoming teacher training that we are offering at Universal Spirit Yoga specifically for teachers who want to work with that population, who are passionate about working with cancer patients, survivors, or caregivers.
Poonam, I'm really happy to be here and sharing this information. It's really important for yoga teachers and people who have been affected by cancer to understand how to safely modify their practices and what they can do to help their health and their state of mind, their inner peace, and dealing with the difficulties of illness for patients and caregivers. And there's so much that yoga has to offer in all those areas.
And how long is this training?
This will be 50 hours of certification, which 32 hours will be on site over 2 weekends, and then 18 hours off-site training.
Okay, great. So is it spread over a month or 2 months? How is it conducted?
I believe it's going to be scheduled over 2 weekends in a course of a month, with 18 hours in between or prior to that, where the students can complete their other work.
Okay, great, awesome. I'm also finding out that a lot of Ayurvedic principles that I have learned in my Ayurveda training can actually help a lot of students who are suffering from the side effects of cancer. This knowledge from Ayurveda, that proper eating and proper lifestyle and proper yoga practice as well.
Right, so, absolutely. Incorporating those lifestyle practices and that ancient wisdom is so helpful, and people can really balance themselves, understanding their doshas, where they might be out of balance, and using practices that will be very helpful. So it's really good for the yoga teachers to understand too the objectives that they want to be bringing forth in the yoga practices, what type of practice, and then how to modify for those many side effects of treatment. There's so many different side effects. There can be lymphedema, which is a possible swelling after lymph nodes have been affected by radiation or surgery. There can be neuropathy, which is nerve damage after chemotherapy most commonly. There's so many mental and emotional side effects. There can be chemo brain, as they call it. There's much anxiety and depression as people go through cancer.
Fear too.
Fear is absolutely. Huge, So there's so many ways that yoga can help with all of those aspects.
Even pain management.
Definitely.
So are you going to be covering in detail all the side effects and how yoga teachers can help their students in dealing with these side effects
yes,
from the treatments?
Yes. First, we'll do some review to understand what the side effects are, what causes the side effects, and then what research has been done from the academic medical centers, that type of thing, on what kind of modalities in integrative care have been found helpful for these side effects, and then how we can adapt the yoga practices as well.
Okay, great. Looking forward to the upcoming training in October of 2016. For more information on the training, the date, cost, and content, please visit our website at universalspirityoga.com. Thank you for watching. Namaste.